Want to create a WhatsApp group? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create one. First of all, open the WhatsApp on your device. If you don't have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have installed this, launch it open. Now you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here at the top, you'll find a couple of options: new group, new contact, and new community. Go ahead and select new group. Now you want to enter the new group members, so select that. Once you have selected your members, tap on the green icon. Now you want to name your group. After that, you have some settings over here such as disappearing messages, group permissions. You can manage them if you want. Once you're happy with the result, tap on the checkmark option. And as you can see, your group has been successfully created. If you want to add members, tap on the add members option. You can also invite via group link. For that, select this option. Now you can send this link to whoever you want. And in this way, you can easily create a WhatsApp group. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.